The sun will never explode, but Earth is still doomed. This is how our own star eventually kills its planets. The end of our world won't arrive with a sudden, brilliant flash. It will be erased slowly, methodically. One day, everything we have ever known will simply cease to be. Most of us imagine a spectacular end, a supernova lighting up the cosmos. But that is not our star's fate. The sun is not massive enough to explode. Its death is a far quieter process, and it is entirely unavoidable. There will be no explosion, no sudden, all-consuming fireball, just physics patiently doing its job. The beginning of the end starts deep inside the sun's core. Right now, our star is a vast nuclear furnace. It relentlessly fuses hydrogen into helium. This process has powered our solar system for billions of years. But hydrogen is a finite fuel. Eventually, the core will run out. When this happens, the outward push from fusion will weaken. The sun's immense gravity will take over. The core will begin to collapse in on itself. This collapse raises the core's temperature and pressure to unimaginable levels. A new chapter begins. The sun starts to burn the helium ash left behind. This new, hotter fire pushes the star's outer layers outward. The sun begins to grow. Slowly at first, then with unstoppable momentum, our star starts to grow. It transforms into a red giant. Its familiar yellow-white glow gives way to a deep, ominous red. Its radius grows dramatically. The sun's surface will stretch, reaching farther and farther into the solar system. Mercury will be the first to vanish, consumed by the expanding star. Then Venus will follow, its scorching atmosphere stripped away before the planet itself is swallowed. The inner planets are now at terminal risk. Earth is next in line. But our world will die long before the sun's surface ever reaches it. The expanding sun's intense heat will trigger the end of all life. Scientific models suggest the process will be gradual but relentless. As the sun swells, its radiant energy will bombard our planet. The oceans will begin to warm, then boil. All the water that makes life possible will evaporate, escaping into the atmosphere. The atmosphere itself, now thick with water vapor, will be blasted away by the fierce solar wind. Bit by bit, it will be stripped from the planet and lost to space. Life will end completely. From the deepest trenches to the highest peaks, every living thing will perish. Earth will become a dry, airless rock, scorched and silent, orbiting a star that once gave it life. This cataclysm is not in our near future. It is a fate reserved for the deep, distant timeline of the cosmos. Scientists expect this process to begin in about 5 billion years. Humanity, in its current form, will not be here to witness it. We are a fleeting moment in the life of our planet. Yet this outcome is already written in the laws of physics. It is a destiny that is far away in time, but absolutely certain in its outcome. After its red giant phase, the sun will have exhausted all its fuel. Its outer layers will drift away from the core. They will expand into space, forming a vast glowing cloud of gas and dust. This beautiful, ghostly structure is called a planetary nebula. It is the final remnant of a star's life. life. At the center of it all, the sun's collapsed core will remain. It will cool and fade over trillions of years, a tiny, incredibly dense object known as a white dwarf. It is the stellar corpse that will be left behind. The sun gives life, and one day it will quietly take it back. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the cosmos, please subscribe and turn on notifications. I have more stories about the universe coming soon. Thanks for watching.